Hi everyone. In this video I'll be showing you what are the different ways that you can format variables of different data types in Python. So let's get started. So I'll be showing you for int, float and string. So first thing I will go with the default one, that is a normal print statement, like how you use that. So it's going to be print, and inside that you will just put the variable name. Okay, this is going to be the first method, that is the normal way. And the second method, like what if you want to add a message with that. So I will just go with number one is like this, and I'll just put a comma and I'll put the variable a over here, and if I run it, I'll be getting number one is space this particular 25, the number over here. So you can see I've got this. And now let's suppose say that I want to add two variables over here, two integer variables or two variables of different data types. So in that case, what we will be doing is we will be using the percentage operator. So I will go with number one is percentage d. Percentage d is for integer type. And let me just now copy this, and I will just paste it over here, and I will go with number 2 is percentage d, and here after comma we will be specifying another integer variable because we are having 2 percentage d, and this percentage d corresponds to a and number 2 corresponds to b. And after this we will need to change this comma as well, so just remove the comma, and here you need to put a percentage symbol and enclose both the integer variables with circular bracket. So this is how you do it. So the entire thing within double quotes, after that percentage and the variable names a and b within circular bracket. Alright, so no comma or anything over here. So I'm saving it now and run it. So here you can see I've got number 1 is 25 and number 2 is 100. So this is how it works. This percentage d is for the first one, this percentage is for the second one. And let's suppose say that we want to add a float now. Float. So for adding float, it's going to be percentage f. Okay, and I will just change this to the variable fn, this one over here. And for adding a string, it's going to be percentage s. So I will go here and type string. It's going to be percentage s for string. I will just put a comma and it's going to be s. So you need to be careful while giving the variable names over here because this is like from left to right. So here you can see, right, this percentage d is for a, percentage f is for fn, and string is for like percentage s is for string. So you need to be careful in the ordering, otherwise you will be getting an error. So if I run it now, so I'll be getting like this, perfect. And now I'll be showing you how you can format this float variable because it has like five numbers after the decimal point, right? So what if you wanted only to display 2 of them? So in that case, what you're doing is you need to go to percentage f, you need to just add percentage 0.2. So which means that it will basically display only 2 digits after the decimal point. I'm saving it and running it now. So here you can see I've got now 10.23. Earlier we got the whole number 10.23456, but now we are getting only 23. That is because of this particular formatting. Okay, so I think this is one way, and next way is going to be by using the format operator. So let me just now remove these things. I'll remove string. Yeah, I'll remove the entire thing, right? Yeah. Next is by using the format. Okay, the exact same approach. It's going to be print. I'll go with number 1. And rather than using percentage, we will be using curly bracket. So I'll put a curly bracket over here, and I will do number 2 and curly bracket over here as well. I will do string and curly bracket here as well, and close it, close the double quotes. It's going to be dot format, and within bracket we will be specifying the variable names. Okay, so it's going to be a comma b comma the float or the string. Okay, yes, so that's it. So rather than using percentage over here, we will be replacing the percentage with dot format, and here using percentage d or percentage s or f, we will be replacing it by curly brackets. So I'm saving it now, and if I run it, so we'll be getting the exact same output. So it's your wish. Okay, and in case you are using float, it's better to go with the previous way because we had that formatting the number of digits after the decimal point. So these are some of the ways like how you can format output in Python, and I hope you would have found this video useful. I've also run many other tutorials in Python, C, C++, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, MySQL. So do check the playlist and videos of my channel. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.